ASUGA on 4S. Stock as can be. Wow, this thing's fast. Pretty predictable in the turns, especially if you keep it pegged. You can see me drifting around. Now I did bump up my BEC to 7.4 volts to get a bit more power and a bit more speed out of the stock servo. This thing handles really well. I mean, you can definitely tell it's set up for bashing. It's got a bit of a bounce to it, but the dip tune's bang on. Tyres are really good. Oh my god! At least in this surface. So let's hope they hold up alright in the gravel. I'm impressed. Very impressed. First drive, first couple of minutes, and I can already see how good this car actually is. Whoop, 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 whoop. Very nice. Okay, let's take it on the jumps and let's see how it flies. Nice. Messy jump. Very good. Oh, oh. Wow. Speed, tires, handling, whole box is ticked. that was nasty. That was nasty. Very predictable handling. Very nice power delivery as well. Oh, speaking of power delivery, I did bump my punch up to 4. Standard is 3. So I did give it a little bit of a kick. Oh. There's just not enough to clear that double on 4S, but you have to get it perfect in order to get on top of it, not below it. God, that chassis is leaving daylights kicked out of it. Well, that's a good way to test to see if the chassis is going to flex or not, I guess. Wow. That's nasty. That's so nasty. So far the skid plates are the only ones that are really copping the beating, to be honest. Everything else on the car is holding up fine. Alright. I think this on 6S will be an absolute beast. But let's go a bit bigger for now. Let's see what we can do here. What damage can we cause? The ASUGA. Into the pit. Oh, just managed to steer that away. Ooh. Tyres are really good. I mean, they're a little firmer, but they are really good. My goodness. Flies through the air really well. Really nicely balanced. What a beast. I love it. What an absolute beast. This thing on TikTok is going to be so much fun. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. This thing is awesome. It handles so well. It's so dialed. Oh. Oh. I did say in the unboxing that I would have liked to have seen some roof skids on this thing. And this is exactly why. Ooh. I think, is that the fan? The fan must have had something in it. Alright, she's all good. Alright, let's do a couple more. Close this off. It just flies through the air so beautifully. What a beast. What an absolute beast. Tim Corelli's on a winner here. Big winner. This thing is awesome. This is just on 4S. Old stock. Punch turned up to 4. I'm running XT150s, as you guys know, that's what I run. So I've taken the XT90s out. No changes to diffs, shocks or anything like that. Oh, there is one other change. I'm running my DX5C. Only because I already know what the stock radio is going to be like, and I like to hook up my cars either to my Catawba or my Spectrum. Just saves me having to carry out 10 radios every time I come out and drive my cars. Awesome. Alright, let's leave this one here. The ASUGA XLR 4S stock, all done and dusted. See you next time.